Well, he carried it from
It
the
might
back.
be the dumbbells of the...
Oh, is that what he's doing? See, he's carrying it now. Oh, the thin one just... He's behind it. Yeah, he wants to go up, but... There he goes. That's a pretty good sized branch for a little bird. And there's another one, 2 of them further up. 3 of them. Quite a few of them up there.
Like flamingos. You see, like, take a picture. Can you take a picture of the flamingos? Oh, I'm fine. Okay. Yeah.
All of them, even the pelicans are doing that. I've never noticed that before.
This is number 23, this one.
Yeah, I think there's 2 of them in there. I don't know where the other one is right now.
Alright, we're not...
It's furry. It's probably a rat.
Ooh. Oh, could see it underneath here.
Okay, let me get a good shot of your
It
backside.
could be.
It looks white and furry. It's probably a white rat.
Oh, what do they throw them? We're not going to take it. Sorry to disturb your meal. We weren't going to take it. Are you going to go back? Are you going to go back to it? It's still there. Yep. Oh.
Oh.
Wow. Yay. Can we have a repeat performance? Want to flap flap again?
She moved. Go forward.
Wow. You're so beautiful.
I think I just missed it.
Yes, you are. Do you want to spread your wings?
I think it's the breeze going that way that's doing it.
Yes. Want to spread them? Spread? Yeah, that's the way. Yeah, that's it. She's only got part of a wing, I think, on the right one. You are so beautiful.
I got the wrong thing. We should spend. One more time, sweetie.
Okay, she's only got full left and part right.
Spread your wings one more time.
Okay, this way. Beauty, whatever your name is.
Beauty sounds good.
Spread them. Spread your wings. Get some air. Spread. Spread. Feel that breeze. Feel the breeze. I'm just not ready to move or anything.
Flamingo.
Flamingo.
What kind of thing do you do?
They eat.
I know, I was thinking what kind of thing.
Did you see how that one
Yeah.
pushed him into the water?
That's a yellow-billed stork. Must be the one that brings the babies.